Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find atomic wallet address on your PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to find a wallet address for a particular cryptocurrency on Atomic Wallet, then here's how to do it. Open up your Atomic Wallet application and make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Once you're inside, from the Wallets tab, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency you'd like to receive and find the wallet address of. In my case, I'm gonna choose Ethereum. Give it a click and click on the Receive button. On the next page, in order to view your QR code and your wallet address displayed on the screen. Remember that each cryptocurrency has a different kind of a wallet address, so if you'd like to receive some Bitcoin, you'll first need to select Bitcoin and click the Receive button in order to find the wallet address of the particular crypto. Once you find the wallet address, you can copy the wallet address and send it to one of the contacts you'd like to receive a crypto from. That is how you can easily find your wallet address for a particular crypto on Atomic Wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.